In 2019, the UN Global Study on Children Deprived of Liberty was presented at the United Nations General Assembly. The study looks at the number of children detained and the reasons for it. The global study promotes change towards how the world views these children and shares promising practices, with the aim of promoting examples on alternatives to child detention and other examples to safeguard children's rights. An interactive map was created. The map includes information on 6 areas: within the administration of justice, in the field of migration, in the context of institutions, when children are imprisoned with their primary caregivers, in the context of national security, and armed conflict. Choose the area you want to know more about, and then choose the country directly in the globe or through the list of countries to find a promising practice. All these examples go together with one or more recommendations provided in the global study. You want to filter out several cases by countries or by practice? Download the database. You can also share additional promising practices of your country by clicking Contact Us. This map is a co-creation between the Global Campus of Human Rights and WILD. Deprivation of liberty is deprivation of childhood. Let's work together to leave no child behind bars.